going on today, YouTubers? Thanks again for checking out a video. I'm off of this whole Monday, Thursday thing right now because I'm pretty excited about what came in the mail this morning. So we were talking about the engine guard, the stabilizer for the fairing that we're not able to really work. So I had a buddy of ours, all of us Road Glide 3 owners, Lou Newman. He took the jump and tried out one of the products that's out there for the fairing stabilizers. So what he tried out was the BungKing stealth bracket. I'm not really even sure. But anyway, it's basically a bracket that attaches to the bottom of the fairing and goes to the bolt of the fuel tank. So this whole piece is completely really unseen from out here. You'll be able to see it down in between the gas tank and the back of the fairing just a little bit, but again, it's BungKing. And not only did I get one that came in, and honestly, I ordered this and it came in within like 3 days from California. So great shipping, great company to work for, great website to navigate. So if you are looking to replace this big god-awful looking thing that's sticking out, even if you're not doing an engine guard, you can still put these on your fairing just to give it a little bit more of a sleek look to it. So I'll be installing these, and not only did I order one, I ordered two. So here's my big thing on that. I will probably post this video up later today, and over the weekend I will check to see people's comments on if you would like to have a set of these for your Road Glide 3, or maybe you might even know somebody that's got a Road Glide 3 that could use a little bit of a stealth bracket attachment to it. So my thing to you that I'm throwing out to you is, over the course of the next 2.5 days, I'll be reviewing the comments of why you would like to have a set of these for your Road Glide 3. And as a matter of fact, any 2015 and up Road Glide, they work on both of them. Even though the Road Glide 3 has a spacer in the front that has kind of moved the fairing away a little bit, and it's probably because of the steering stabilizer, all that good stuff. But anyway, if you would like to have a set of these, I'm going to give my other set away. So please, down in the comments, leave me a comment of why this bracket would work out for you and what you intend on doing with it. And just, I'm gonna go through all the comments. I'll look at all the comments. If you ask a question, I'll probably try to leave an answer. But yeah, that's probably gonna be the big thing this weekend. This is the one hot key topic of the whole Road Glide 3 world right now, is this support for the fairings. I've been running mine without the support on it. I haven't seen really any movement or anything, but I'm gonna feel a little bit better having that rear stability to the fairing. So yeah, we're gonna get those installed today. I'll show you around and show you some pictures of that. Also, I'll be installing my lower fairings. Now, I just ordered the standard row fairings with the doors that open, just like on any standard, but and it's got the adjustable flap door. But I'm going to be installing these on the Road Glide as well. So I got these on Amazon. I think they were $109, something like that, shipped in Prime. I ended up getting it, it was probably 7 days from the time I ordered it to the time it showed up. No, actually 6 days. So gonna get all this stuff installed on the Road Glide 3, and we're gonna take it from there. I'm pretty excited about this. This is probably the one big thing that I've wanted to do with this Road Glide 3 since I got it. So again, thanks for jumping on my videos here. Please like, share, subscribe. That's probably the biggest thing that I can ask of you guys out there, is to get people to subscribe to the channel. Like I said, if I get over 1,000 subscribers, I can apply, like applying for a job with YouTube, to see if I can start getting a little bit kickback of all the videos that I'm making here. That money that I'm going to be getting from there will support doing upgrades on the Road Glide 3, buying new cameras, you know, all that good stuff. I need to find a good graphic arts person to come up with like some stylish little video clip thing in the beginning of the video, like so many other influencers have. So yeah, if you're a graphic artist or whatever, or do things with computers where we can put a little snippet in the beginning of my videos, that'd be great. So anyway, hang tight, let's get into it. All right, so as you can see, it's got a tab that goes down, and this side has a little bit of a lip. So this one actually goes on the brake side. As you're looking at it, that curve will basically be going on the inside of the fairing. These two holes actually line up and mount to where the lower fang spoiler would go, one here, one there, on those Road Glides that I'm sure you've all seen before, that basically have that lower fang fairing that goes from the top fairing all the way down, covers up the engine oil cooler. So yeah, we're attaching to those two. And then, let me get up in here, to the bolt right back there with the gas tank. So basically we've got the two bolts on each side, since we're doing them one by one, and then we attach to those, so everything will work out. Got it all installed here. As you can see, we've got these two bolts here. I'm sorry, I'm doing this terribly. We got this bolt and this bolt, which are provided in the kit. There's the bracket right there. And I don't know if I can get it in there. It's such a tight spot. There's the bolt to the fuel tank. So as you see, it'll be sitting down in there like so, and you have to make sure that this curve is in here for when you're turning the handlebars. So my suggestion is to basically attach these first right here, and I did these finger tight, and then you'll have to use a long extension to get back to the bolt back in here. So basically you'll need a 1/2 inch socket. I've got about an 8-inch extension onto the handle, and then a 5/32 Allen wrench. That's all you need to put these supports on. But again, put the one on, put the two smaller bolts in to those brass fittings underneath there, and then you'll go in and attach the bolt that holds the fuel tank in. So the one thing you'll notice as you'll tighten these up here, and like I said, I don't tighten them completely all the way. I'll just tighten it up to where it's holding that bracket up to the bottom of the fairing. And then I tightened up the bolt that goes in and holds the fuel tank mount. So as you're tightening that bolt in front of the fuel tank, you're gonna hear your fairing do a little moan and groan, so to speak, just because everything just needs to align the way it needs to be. But other than that, it's real simple. It's really, really simple. In the beginning of the video, I was kind of misunderstood and just trial and error fitting it up. This is going on the clutch side. So the tang right here, that will be facing up. The bolt will be going under there. This area right here will be mounting up underneath your fairing. So this one goes on clutch side, and then the other one that looks like that goes on the brake side. But yeah, you got to make sure that that little flange tang area is pointing up, so the bolt will be going on top of the bracket itself. All right, both of them are installed and it is looking good. Yeah, you got to make sure that that track is circled out this way, because that's where the forks are going to be moving back and forth. All right, got her all done. Got the fairing brackets put on, got my lower fairings put on, and everything's turning out just absolutely phenomenal. Evidently, I like to say that a lot. So, all right, sitting here rocking my 3930, and let's go show you. All right, there's those lower fairings. It turned out really well. You know, for 109 bucks off of Amazon, it's not too terribly bad. Install went very easy. I think it looks great. I really do. It kind of sets off the look of the bike a little bit. Got a place to put some speakers in when I decide to do that, because I can replace this housing here and put a speaker housing in it. So it works out great. They're literally just like the Harley ones. The vents open and close just like the Harley ones do. The doors open and close just like the Harley ones do. The only thing is, like, this material isn't like a rubberish dull look. There's got a little bit of a sheen. It's a little bit more of a hard plastic. So not too bad. Actually fills up that gap really well. I'm looking forward to it. I've always had lowers on all my bikes. Great in the rain, especially down here in Florida. We get caught in the rain all the time. There's always an afternoon shower that happens. You don't have those lower fairings on, your legs are soaked, but the lower fairings, they block that off. And on the cool winter days down here, that does help out quite a bit too. But my thing is, you know, going on longer trips, things like that, your legs aren't fighting the wind, pushing your feet around. And there's extra storage involved as well. So it's going to take away a lot of the buffeting of the air that would generally come up around the engine and basically hitting you right in your chest. So that'll be another bonus plus for me. But yeah, everything's coming along great on here. Really enjoying everything. I had that other video posted yesterday, but I just couldn't wait. I had to show you guys. So anyway, like I said in the beginning, let me turn this around. Like I said in the beginning of the video, please leave a comment down below. I want to be able to send out these stealth brackets for the Road Glide fairing. So again, comment, let me know why you would want them, or why you would want them for somebody you know. And on Monday, I'll sit and I'll take a look at everything and probably post up who won those. So anyway, again, thanks for joining my YouTube channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please like, subscribe, share, hit that bell for notification. Again, I'm very appreciative, very humbled by you guys following me, and I hope that you're enjoying this journey as much as I am. All right, you guys take care. Be blessed. Give more. Peace.